Hey y'all, Mama Snark here, day 7, part 1. It is a little past 6:30 in the morning. We're heading to the buses. Magic Kingdom early morning. Hours for resort guest starts at 7:30. So we're booking it to the buses so that hopefully we're not there too late. My big objective for the morning is to get castle pictures. We haven't done that yet. Hoping to get there early enough so there's not like 10,000 people in the background of them. So I can get an updated profile picture for the YouTube channel and maybe Instagram. So that's the main objective right now, and hopefully the bus stop's not bananas. The other day when we did Magic Kingdom, it was like cram-packed and the buses were not coming very frequently. So wish us luck. Just missed the Magic Kingdom bus. The good news is there's only like one other couple online, so we'll at least get to sit with the kids and not have to figure out standing with them. The other one should be coming pretty quickly. So Mama messed up. I didn't bring the stroller blankets. It's like 60 degrees. He's freezing. It is very windy outside, but it's gonna heat up to almost 80 degrees today, so I wasn't thinking about it. But it is very early. It's just now 15 past 7. My goal is a couple of pictures in front of the castle and then some long sleeves. We're probably gonna end up just buying some long sleeves from them. Look, Wheeze! Cinderella's carriage! Probably a wedding, yeah. Wow. Alright, so my goal is a couple of pictures, like good family pictures, like I said, without 18,000 people in it. And then it looks like we're buying some long sleeves for the kids because Mama goofed. Okay, just wipe it on your dress, baby. Alright, hold on. Wait till we get in line and I'll give you my dress. She just sneezed everywhere. Oh wow, apparently there's a wedding. Alright, we're walking through trying to find something warm because what about extra small? These are going to be expensive. Spirit jerseys are like 80 bucks. Trying to find something warm for them because I goofed and didn't bring the dang stroller blankets. Bubba's not wanting the red one. It looks like most of the little boy clothes here like look girly, which is not what hubby wants for them. I don't really care, but we're just gonna get it like super oversized and they can grow into it if we can find something. I think this is all adult sizes. Go back to that other room. Here, show her your Mickey Mouse. There we go. Alright, look at that. Say cheese. Move your hands. Look at her. She's ridiculous. Alright, so she was happy with the pink castle. I bought a black Mickey Mouse for him because he wouldn't...
Please let go.
He wouldn't give us an answer on which one he wanted, so I got the black Mickey Mouse because it was cuter. And we got out here and he pitched a royal toddler fit because he didn't want a black one. And then decided he wanted the red one, so I went back and exchanged it. And the red one was cheaper, so I got some money back. But don't be like me, don't forget the stroller blankets if it's 60 degrees. Alright, that photo pass photographer?
Sure, wait there.
Get this way. Alright, we're gonna attempt to get a picture now. I got one without them in sweatshirts. Oh, they're getting a puppy dog. Just kidding, we're gonna go further up to the Mickey statue. Alright, this way. Alright, attempted to get pictures. I'll see if they turned out. I'll insert them here for you.
Who's gonna let us through? Red Rover.
I got it.
You got it.
Thank you. All right, heading towards Buzz. Woo! Goodness. Push to buzz. Okay, here's my PSA for the day. Have a little bit of awareness of what's going on around you. We were trying to get pictures and people just kept like piling in on the side of us. And I asked someone if they could scooch a little bit that way so we could get the picture that we had waited for the photo pass. And they like shoved the other way and some other lady started yelling because they moved the wrong way, I guess. And then trying to take another picture and people just come and stand like right next to you. And I was like, hey, can you please scooch a little bit that way? And they're like, oh. So just PSA, just have some personal awareness. Everyone's trying to get the shot. Some people waited in line to do it. But hopefully I got something. If not, it is what it is, huh? She's happy. There's Buzz. Oh, we're stroller parking.
She's your Stitch, she said.
She is my Stitch. She is correct. 100% accurate. All right, Space Ranger spin. This little girl. She says she's too tired to walk. What, Bubba? Whoa. That is Buzz Lightyear, huh? He said you gotta shoot the boss called Zerd. Good morning. Just walking right on. All right, early morning entry. You ready to go?
Z, what's the spot?
You gonna get it, Bubba? Yeah. Here. Shoot it in the nose. Here, get those, Bubba. Little girl's just spinning. Shoot, Bubba. You don't? Well, try. I am really bad at this. Shoot, Bubba, shoot. Shoot. Get the monster. Shoot. Good job, Bubba. It's okay, Mama's super bad at that too. It was fun though, wasn't it? Alright. Rider swapping Space Mountain Man Cub was like right under it. They said they may let him on, they may not, but I didn't want a chance getting all the way up there with him and them telling him no, because that would be not a good situation for him. So, going on my own.
Hey, come over to the benches by Buzz exit. We are 16 coins richer and $10, nope, $15 poorer. Yep. Alright. There you go.
Thank you.
You gonna do that? You gonna do the camera today?
First, I have to set this up.
Set it up? Okay.
Then we can.
You go put it down there so you can see us? Okay, ready? Let's see what you got. Let's see what we're doing with this one. You got a bunch? Yeah, these are the most coins.
Look at her. She's trying to see herself.
I set it up like that. We found side-by-side machines for them to crane.
Yeah, nice.
Now, Mom.
All right, so number one, good luck to you getting in and fitting and getting out.
Yeah.
Number two, I wouldn't feel comfortable with him because he'd have to sit in front of me and it's really jerky.
Yeah.
Number three, once you do Guardians, that one's kind of a letdown. But it's so fun and I'm glad I did it. It was a lot of fun.
Watch the flattering camera angle.
Yeah.
Look right there, too.
There is a GoPro right there. All right, Dad's turn. Hubby has taken the kids on that monstrosity because I can't do it off you. I was in line for Astro Orbiter with the kids while hubby did Space Mountain. We both agreed we're glad we didn't try with Man Cub to get him on that one because it's super jerky. And he also has to sit like in front of you. We can't sit next to me because I've been putting my arm like this around them on like roller coasters and stuff. And it's like, it's rough. It's not a smooth track like Guardians. But while I was in line for Astro Orbiter, like it just took so long to get to the elevator to get up. And hubby texted me that he was off the ride before our elevator even got there. So I was like, we're just gonna skip out on this one. Man Cub did it with hubby the other day while I did Bippity Boppity Boutique with Wheeze. So not really missing out. Mine Train Gas Pass has been called. They're getting a Teacup. So we're gonna go do that and then I'm gonna book Big Thunder Mountain. And I think we're going to try to find some breakfast at Sleepy Hollows or something like that. But it's cold. I told hubby I'm noticing a lot of people in the same like sweatshirts and long sleeves that were in the shop. So apparently a lot of people did the same thing and just ended up spending $60 on sweatshirts and t-shirts for their kids because no one expected it to be this cold this morning. It's going to be 80 degrees later on. We're all going to be sweating to death. So it wasn't accounting for we were going to be in the bus line before the sun was fully up. So we're not the only ones. Don't be like us. Bring your sweatshirts and a stroller blanket. They're in the pink teacup.
Other way? Whoa! Good job, Wheeze. Was that fun?
Comes to a stop.
These kids are not white.
No. It gets real obvious once you hit a hill.
Right?
All right, here you go.
All right, heading to Mine Train. That's one of their favorites. Woo! girl loves roller coasters. We're heading to Barnstormer now because I'm pretty sure it's like a walk-on right now. And then I've got Big Thunder booked. And then after that, I think I'm gonna book Splash, and we're gonna go get some Sleepy Hollow waffles while we wait for that one. I will say, I'm so glad that we don't have kids that are terrified of rides. Like, we've got little adrenaline junkies. They take after us. We love thrill seeking and roller coasters, and we used to do zip lining and all that stuff before we had kids. So I'm definitely glad that they're following in our footsteps and they're not afraid of rides like Tower of Terror, Rise of the Resistance, Guardians of the Galaxy, Snow White's Mine Train. They're down for it. If they're tall enough, they're going on it and they're happy about it. So heading to Storybook Circus to do the Barnstormer. So last year for the Christmas party when I took Wheeze by myself, I did Barnstormer with her and there was no line. So he was like, y'all can just stay seated and keep going. We did it like 6 times in a row. She just kept going, one more time. I'm gonna do the Goofy roller coaster. Yeah. Did you do that one last year, Wheeze?
I don't want to do that one anymore.
Apparently she doesn't want to do that one anymore.
That was late.
Straight ahead, babe. Going to do Goofy's coaster. We haven't done Dumbo yet. It's not my favorite though. Makes me nauseous. Are you doing Goofy's roller coaster? Step. Hold on, Weeze. I gotta get my big booty butt in.
Don't say booty.
I got down with the lamb bars.
You ready, Weeze? Okay, put my hands up.
Okay.
Hands up, Bubba. Dumbo's a walk-on right now, so we're gonna let them do that real quick before we head over to Big Thunder. They're little oversized sweatshirts. I did buy their sweatshirts like 4 sizes too big so that they can grow into it. Yeah, it's a 5-minute wait, which is a walk-on.
You're here for this one and Dumbo finish. Alright guys, go play.
Alright, Dumbo's playground. I feel comfortable filming because there's no children. So yeah, the kids can walk up this like rope thing. And it's got a fun cannon slide. It's got like a rope walk up there. They've got stairs here they can climb up and walk. Another little slide. Oh, it's got some more like thingies up there. And a slide. Comes out here. More top net walking. There's Bubba. Where's Wheeze? Oh, there she is. She's up that way. Come on, Wheeze! Oh, there he is. You go on the slide, buddy?
I want to get on the playground.
Go up. She went down the slide. You can go down the slide. Go, Wheeze, go! Wow! That's cute. Good job, buddy. They have sound effects. Now she's up there. She's sitting on them. Of course she is. Fun Disney details by Dumbo. They have like peanuts in the concrete because he's an elephant and elephants like peanuts all over the ground here. They got peanuts in the ground for Dumbo because he's an elephant. So who else's kid freaks out when you actually get to go on Dumbo because they just want to play on the playground the whole time? Headed to Big Thunder. We said, look at them up there. Kids are itching to do Splash Mountain again. Here it comes. Jumping over all the cracks. like that one?
Yeah. Like, why more longer?
Is it what?
More longer.
No, it's over. He's so tall.
You ready to go? Yeah.
Not the ready.
All done.
This is Splash Mountain, Bubba.
Bunny rabbit.
Bunny rabbit.
Yeah. Follow Dad, bud.
Big splash.
over the porgy. I know we went under the porgy. So we ended up catching Splash Mountain just as it reopened when we were getting off of Big Thunder. So it was literally a walk-on, so we just walked right onto it and did that.
Leave them alone.
Kids are fighting again. So now we're going to get our waffles. Liberty Bell! Alright, so same as last year, we got our little benches right here looking at the castle. So there's Sleepy Hollow Waffle. I'm going to pick up our waffles, and you walk across the bench, or the bridge. Perfect little shady spot for some waffle having. Waiting for my mobile order to be ready. These little fiends, little squirrel, they are obsessed with Disney popcorn as mama. Do you like popcorn?
Hey, Mama.
Thank you, baby. It is very, very good. Nothing like Disney popcorn. Get that refill bucket. So a tip that I learned from Pixie Dusted Mom, and I'll link her channel if you're not following her, is to get the fruit on the side. She also gets the chocolate on the side to dip, but we figured it'd be easier to keep the chocolate on there and then they'll just pick the fruit off versus hubby and I. Delicious. And then we brought our own orange juices with us because it's a lot cheaper than paying $5 for one. Is that so yummy? So just as I said last year, perfect spot. Cavalcade's coming. My kids got a front row seat while they eat their waffles. Right there, Bubba. Little boy. She's excited she got her pink one. This is literally their favorite thing to do.
Okay, you gonna fill them up?
Look at all those pennies.
We're getting close
You
to
ready?
the end.
Like Gollum hoarding her treasure.
I'll make you human if you give me your voice, she says. And Ariel gets all flustered and all
They see all the seashells and the concrete. Alright guys, that's it for day 7 part 1. We're gonna head out and take a break. Thank you for watching. Give the video a like, thumbs up, hit that notification bell. Get up, Bubba. Subscribe and follow along. Bye guys.